In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a REDCap project. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to My Project inside REDCap, and you want to click on the project you wish to duplicate. So I'm going to click on this tutorial one over here, and then up top, you can see a bunch of things. You want to click on Other Functionality. And from here, you want to click on, if you scroll down here, you can see it's going to say copy the project, okay? So under copy or backup the project, it says copy the project, and this will duplicate the project. So just click on that. And from here, it's gonna, of course, take to this editor, which is pretty much gonna be the same as if you were to create a new project. And you can give it a name. I'm just going to name this one tutorial project copy 1. And then here you can, of course, set its purpose and notes if you want to, which is optional. And then down here, you can, of course, check, which is also optional, what you want to copy. So it says also copy the following, and you can select what you want to copy, like records, users, roles, etc. Okay, I'm going to copy everything, click on copy project, and then it's gonna load for a few seconds, and it's going to take you directly into your new duplicated project, just like this. As you can see, it's up here. And if I go to my project, there's now a new project, which is the copy or a duplicate of this first one over here. That's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.